Welcome my channel today. Let's explore the 1996 2-pence coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II is a part of the British decimal coinage system introduced in the early 1970s. While not rare, it holds significance for numismatists, historians, and enthusiasts alike for its design continuity and its role in modern British coinage. The UK transitioned to a decimal currency system on 15th of February 1971, Decimal Day. Prior to this, British currency used the XSD system, pounds, shillings, and pence. Decimalization simplified this, introducing a system where 100 new pence equaled. The 2-pence coin, 2p, was introduced as part of this new system. The first 2p coin was issued in 1971 and has remained in circulation ever since, although with some changes in composition and design over time. The obverse, front, of the 1996 2p coin features the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael Makhlouf. This portrait was used on coins from 1985 to 1997 and is known for its regal and mature representation of the Queen wearing the George IV state diadem. Elizabeth de Greg Fdu 1996, which translates from Latin as Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The reverse of the 1996 2p coin displays the badge of the Prince of Wales, a plume of ostrich feathers within, a coronet with a ribbon bearing the German motto, Ich diene, meaning I serve. Designer, Christopher Ironside. This design has been used on the 2p coin from its introduction in 1971 until it was replaced in 2008 by Matthew Dent's shield design. Denomination, 2-pence year, 1996. Country, United Kingdom. Metal composition, bronze, 97% copper, 2.5% zinc, 0.5% tin. Note, in 1992, the Royal Mint began using copper-plated steel due to rising metal prices. However, 1996 issues were still in bronze. Weight, 7.12 grams. Diameter, 25.91 mm. Thickness, 1.85 mm. Edge. Plain mint, the Royal Mint, Lustrous, Wales. The 2p coin is part of daily British life, circulating throughout England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. It is used in retail, vending, transport, and other small transactions. The coin represents the broader history of British royalty, heraldry, and the influence of Germanic traditions, e.g., Ich diene motto. Minted in Wales, the coin also connects symbolically to the Prince of Wales and the Welsh identity within the UK. 1996 circulation issue, approx. 603,376,000 coins. This is a very high mintage, meaning the coin is common in circulation. The coin was released for public use and mass production. No special commemorative design or limited edition versions were issued for this date. The Royal Mint also released brilliant uncirculated BU versions for collectors' proof sets as part of the 1996 annual proof sets. These are generally in pristine condition with sharp details, mirror finishes in proof, and are struck using specially prepared dies. Proof coins are often housed in display boxes or cases with certificates of authenticity. Circulated condition, face value, 2p, still legal tender. Uncirculated, BU. UBAUC 50 to $1 proof coin, part of set. Varies depending on condition and demand. Note, this coin is not rare. Its high mintage makes it common, but well-preserved examples in uncirculated condition are desirable for beginner collectors or for e.g. completing date runs of decimal coins. Sharp details on the Queen's profile and hair feather lines in the Prince of Wales badge are clear. No corrosion or discoloration, especially for bronze issues. Lustrous surface if uncirculated, BU or proof. No known major errors or varieties for the 1996 2p coin. Be cautious of artificially toned or cleaned coins, which may lose value. In 2008, the UK underwent a coinage redesign. The reverse of the 2p coin was changed to feature part of the royal shield, part of a larger design puzzle across denominations. Despite this, the 1996 coin remains legal tender and in active circulation. The 1996 2-pence coin, featuring Queen Elizabeth II, is a testament to Britain's rich monetary history and cultural symbolism. Though not rare or particularly valuable, it holds numismatic interest for its classic design and connection to the late Queen's reign. Whether in a collector's album or found in change, it represents a living piece of the UK's historical and cultural fabric. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe more coin collecting content.